Hello and welcome to Basic Mixer. Let's get ready to mix it up. So this is our granola that we made in our last video, and it looks like it's about done. It's been in there for just a couple of hours, and the car, I bet, will smell pretty good too. Ah, it smells great. And you know what? I should have probably brought an oven mitt because that is super hot. Let's see. Of course, there's nothing in here. Here's a nut again, so I'm gonna use that. Try not to burn my fingers too much. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, next time bring an oven mitt. Okay, so let's bring this in the house. And then we're gonna make a quick breakfast burrito since we're doing breakfast. Oops. Moving the camera for a moment. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put our granola here to cool. And while it's cooling, we're gonna make a quick breakfast burrito. You know what? Maybe I should turn on this light here. That would be better. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. So first we're going to put a little olive oil in our pan. If you use a different cooking oil, that's just fine. And let it heat up for just a second. Spread around our oil, make sure that's a little bit hot. Okay, then I'm going to crack 2 eggs. I'm going to pop the center. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. Then I'm going to get out a tortilla, doesn't matter what kind. I just happen to have this spinach and herb one. It's green. It's kind of fun. I'm going to go ahead and sit it there because it's actually frozen. It doesn't have to be frozen, but mine just happened to be. I'm going to let that soften up while my eggs cook. And actually, I'm also going to put, well, I was going to put mozzarella, but I'm going to wait until that's finished. In the meantime, I'm going to break up this granola just a little bit. Okay, stir it up. It's just warm, it's not too hot anymore. Just going to stir that a little bit. Eggs starting to cook, but it's not quite ready yet. Oh, I'm going to put just a little seasoning salt on there. Seasoned salt. But feel free to season yours however you like. good. So let's go ahead and turn our eggs over a little bit. Put my cheese, which I think that'll go together. You can use whatever cheese you like. I personally like this mozzarella. And while we're waiting for the egg to finish cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put some of our granola into this recycled container I have here to keep it fresh. If you want your granola to be super hard, then you would, or super dry, you would leave it in the car longer than I did. I only left it in there for probably about like 2 hours, 2.5 hours maybe. So you would maybe want to leave it in there for maybe 4 hours if you were really wanting it to be dry or crunchy, real crunchy. Because, and then things that you cook outside or in the car tend to be a little softer anyway. This is fine for my purposes, but also you could have baked this in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes and then stir it and then bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's our granola in this container. Finish that after a while. Put my egg on here. I'm just going to let it finish for a second, and then I'm going to put it on my cheese. Of course, if you had any turkey bacon or some other kind of meat that you wanted to put on there, that would be fine. Let's see if I can get it out here. Alright. I should have used just a little more oil. It didn't help too much that my tortilla was frozen. It stuck there a little bit. Okay, but it will still be delicious. Put my egg on there. I'll turn off our heat. And sometimes I like to put romaine lettuce on it. I think that tastes pretty good. Or else today I have a little spinach. Put a little spinach on there. And I'm going to use a little balsamic vinegar. For a taste on top of my spinach. So there we go, just a little splash. And I'm going to wrap it up and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and share the videos, and hopefully we'll have something exciting for you soon. And thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Oh, you better not sit that there. Check out our other exciting videos. Thank you so much.